17 people from Ghana, Nigeria, Cuba, Lesotho, Laos and Nepal are participating in the workshop on ecological restoration and compensation mechanism construction in developing countries in Lanzhou, the capital of northwest China's Gansu province. The workshop, which will last until June 25th, is organized by the Gansu Desert Control Research Institute.
The amount of information that has been generated so far, I think China is doing a very great deal of combating desertification. Throughout the trainings and learnings, there is a potential to go back home and maybe try to take the technology into a more deeper level.
The training program has been held in Gansu since the 1990s, with about 1,000 technical workers and government officials from 87 countries trained. The training courses combine in-class learning and field practice, focusing on theories and techniques of desertification control as well as ecological restoration. China has made sustained efforts to combat desertification over the years, putting the brakes on desert expansion and contributing to global ecological conservation. Official data show that during the 2012 to 2022 period, China's cumulative afforestation area reached 960 million mu, while 165 million mu of grassland was improved, and more than 12 million mu of wetlands were added or restored.